Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And yeah, I was not happy here, so I'm not even gonna go through with why I wasn't happy or anything else. I'm just gonna start going over this painting, and I decided I would use one of John's little tools here. So I'm just gonna start out by putting a little white there. And this is the muted violet. And after the muted violet, I have some Pebeo iridescent blue black. And I'm going to use after that. And then we have some Liquitex Soft Body Cobalt Teal. And added into that is some Liquitex Turquoise ink. And this should be quite interesting. We have some Liquitex Soft Body Iridescent Silver going on top of that. And then we have some metallic white that we're going to put over there. And some Arteza Aztec Gold. And that's mixed in with a little color shift. Bronze and some Pebeo Very Blue Iridescent. Another one of my favorite colors. And then Liquitex Vivid Red Orange. Another beautiful color. So we have a lot of nice colors in here. I'll go back to that purple. And maybe bubbles in here. Take care of right now. We'll make a few lines in here. I think that looks pretty cool. Take in for a close-up. And please let me know what you think in the comments below. That's using John's tool. Pretty cool, if I do say so myself. And just so you know, that does dry right into the painting, and it looks quite lovely when it is all dried up in there. We have seen it a few times in our paintings, and there's a lot of iridescent colors in here, so I think this is going to look quite pretty. Alrighty now, so please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this. I'm really very happy with it. Yeah, look at that. Put our little skewer through these little pretty. I love that. How that comes. It's like little hearts. Beautiful. There we go. Okay. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Have a great night. Bye-bye now. After all was said and done, I actually went back in and just fixed around the edges. I wasn't happy with the way the silicone was coming through on the bottom. So I actually blew it out with my straw, and now I like this 1,000% better. And I hope you do too. I still can see a little silicone coming through, but I think it's adding some beautiful texture to this painting. So, yeah, I really enjoyed doing this today. Thank you all for coming. Bye-bye now. Have a great night. End result right here.